When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we finally have Mini Brands Retro. I feel like I've been seeing these posted about online for months, but I was never able to find them, not on Amazon or Target or Walmart. So I think like it was just all influencers getting PR, but finally I was able to find them at Target, actually, like at the physical Target store. So I got several of them. I think we're gonna open 4 of them today because you guys know, like, normally the first time I open a new series of mini brands, I'm a little bit chatty. That being said, there are 60 of them to collect. They were $7.99 per ball, which I think is like a little bit cheaper than they used to be. Correct me if I'm wrong. For some reason, I thought like mini brands were mostly like $9.99 before, but you guys, I feel like I've been waiting for something like this for a very long time. I wish that the Target would have let me take the display, but they did not. Well, you know what? One Target I went to, the first Target I went to, they let me take the mini brands, like the new Miniverse Spa, which, y'all, how about that? Like all the recalls, I feel like I was only able to find one of these Miniverse Spa things, and I think it's because they're just like incorrectly emptying out all the shelves right now because of the ones that were recalled, but I know the spa ones weren't recalled. Anyway, different story for a different day. But the first Target I went to did not have the Mini Brands Retro, so we had to go to a different location, and I thought that they would let me take the store display, but they did not. But there's like floppy discs, and I think like, what are they even called? Not instant cameras, I don't think, but you know, the ones that like you used to have to get developed. Y'all, brain fart. Anyway, let's just open the very first ball, and I can show you what they're like instead of telling you what they're like. So they once again look like they're gonna do the frozen moments as the super duper rare ones. I don't know and I don't remember because I feel like it's been so long since I've opened any mini brands, but I don't remember if when they were doing the frozen moments they also had frozen moments gold, but we will find out. And look at this, you guys. To put them all in, I got a Tupperware. Is Tupperware just now back, or has it like been here all along? You guys, freaking mind blown with this. If you're like in the summertime time and you need like a relaxing retro show to watch, see if you can't find Erie, Indiana. The very first episode is kind of like a Tupperware thing, and it's like one of my ye old comfort shows. But every time I see Tupperware, I think of that. All right, you guys, this is what the little envelopes look like. Very cute. And we've got Fruit Loops. And it is, gosh, I don't even know. What year would this have come out? Is this like from the 70s or the 80s? I kind of, for some reason, thought retro meant like the 80s and the 90s. I know there's like different classifications maybe of like what all the terminology means between like antique, vintage. So this is Kodak Gold. I do remember this. 12 pictures? I don't ever remember a roll of camera only giving you 12 pictures. I always thought it was like 24, 36. You guys, we are seeing a lot of the paper boxes, which I do like this one, but you guys know like the paper box things have always been my least favorite because they feel a little frail. We got Dinty Moore beef stew. You guys, this is all before my time. I feel like I've like heard about Dinty Moore beef stew or something in like an older TV show. Or I'll tell you this, they did Nick at Night in the 90s, and it was like really cool when they first started Nick at Night because they were showing like all vintage shows like Sonny and Cher, and I think like the Johnny Carson show and stuff. For a while they were also only showing vintage commercials. Maybe I saw like a Dinty Moore commercial or something at one point on Nick at Night. Mentos. Mentos freshness. Fresh goes better with Mentos, fresh is full of life, y'all. I feel like I can do all the old ads. I don't like recognize that packaging though. Like when the Mentos logo looks like that. Oh my gosh. Yo, face looks like it's like from the 50s. I don't even know. Revlon $1 Million Red. I'm about to say something silly. I kind of don't know if this is nail polish or like a lipstick lip stain. This top part is quite bendy and ooh, that's so cool. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see, but the actual bottle is kind of like translucent. So it looks shiny. It looks like there's actually a liquid product in it. I really want to look this up. $1 Million Red is the shade that we got. Doesn't this seem super fancy? I remember at one point there was a Sephora like nail set product that came with a long brush like this. It's supposed to make it easier for you to paint your nails. Was that already like a drugstore nail thing? You learn something new every day. So I really hope we get a floppy disk. I kind of maybe should have thought floppy disk and thought, oh, they're going like a little bit more retro than I kind of thought that they would. Because I feel like floppy disk is like kind of, no, I'm thinking, yeah, floppy disk. That was like the 80s. What was the next one called? The one that wasn't a floppy disk, but wasn't it called like a compact disc? No, compact disc is a CD, you guys. But you know what I mean. Like at first they looked like this. They were like the big floppy discs. And then they were like the smaller ones that were like hard plastic. Ooh, okay. This is one I was hoping for, like just for the Andy Warhol-ness of it all. We have a Campbell's soup can. Ooh la la. And I really like this because I feel like this is quite a bit like the Kid Robot Andy Warhol things that we already have. So I feel like that will go quite nicely in the collection. Okay, this is super cute. I don't even know why I thought it would open, but this is like so realistic. Planters cheese balls baked. This packaging and logo does look quite familiar to me, but I feel like this is like when I was like a very, very young child. But I really appreciate when the mini brands get like this exact where it looks like that clear plastic, almost like a Pringles top cover. Not a frozen moment, just the normal one. I'm gonna open them all and then consult the chart. Ooh, okay, yeah, this is one I was like really excited for because it's like the little canister of film actually. So once again, we have Kodak and look at how cute this is. I actually miss shooting film like this. I really thought about like getting back into that, but I'm always thinking now like, where do you actually like get the photos developed, you know? But look at how cute this is. Oh, there's like paper filling inside of there, but couldn't you just like put the, I feel like I'd have to like rip out. No? Okay. I was trying to see if, yes, it does. Okay. The mini teeny tiny film actually fits into the box, although I feel like I'm kind of tearing it, so, but I love that. Like that'll be so much cuter. Y'all know that I like to make my shorts using a bunch of little random miniature props and stuff, so that's great. I feel like that's like two minis that really go together. All right, what is this? Oh my goodness. I did not even know that this is an option. Look at this VCR, like video cassette tape. And I love the fact that they actually made a cassette tape. Okay, and it's like, it's pretty detailed too. Like there's actually the little like spinning things on the back. What are they called? I don't know. But I love the fact that they made this like more real, more detailed instead of just like a paper box. So that is great. I like literally did not even know that was an option. Okay, look at the little can of Diet Coke. They could have done the new Coke. It's so funny how they brought that back for Stranger Things. Do y'all remember that? I actually have a can of new Coke in here, but you can get it at like the Dollar Tree, I think. But you know what? I don't think I've ever tried new Coke. I was like literally going to make that video and then for some reason I was like, I didn't do it. Why? I don't know. I kind of wish I had now. I wanted to do like a taste test between new Coke and like normal ye old everyday Coke. All right. Oh, my fingers. Although I will say I feel like these have been the easiest mini brands to open in a long, long time. Y'all, the lid went right in the hole. That's quite magical. Let's find out. Frosted Flakes. Yeah, these cereal boxes, if anyone can carbon date these, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm kind of curious. I feel like these are very, very vintage looking. Okay, what's next? Ooh, what is... Yay! Okay. Diskette. That's the word I was looking for. Not floppy disk, diskette. And look, I bet this is a limited edition as well because look at that hollow shine. Yes, look at that. And like the VCR video cassette, I couldn't even think of it. Once again, you can take it out of the little paper wrapper and ooh la la. Isn't that cute? I almost literally dropped that in my cup of coffee down here. Very cute. And that's the first one that we've gotten that I've thought, is that a special edition? Oh my, this is so cute. Okay, I've never actually heard of this Scotch Ferrochrome, but it is a freaking cassette tape. And look at that. Are there actually, okay. It would have been so cool if they would have put the paper insert in there with all the little lines on it, like where people used to write what songs they recorded on there. And then this is actually super detailed. I feel like they made the cassette tape more detailed than the VCR video cassette tape for some reason. Who knows why? I certainly don't. But yeah, that's really, really cute. I have some Gashpon that are cassette tapes, and I feel like this is almost as detailed as those. Oh, we have our first repeat, another Revlon $1 Million Red. And I still have not decided if I think that that's a nail polish or a lipstick. Fresca. Y'all, I don't even know what this is. Sugar-free Fresca from Coca-Cola Company. Can anyone tell me, when did this exist? What did it taste like? It's got a snowflake on the can? Fresca. Is that like a minty kind of drink? I don't know. All right, you guys, one ball left for today. There's our lid and the last one. And then we're gonna look at the chart. I almost was gonna get like 20 of these, but since there's only like 60, I thought maybe we would start getting too many repeats. And I kind of don't know if they do that anymore, where like if you buy a lot at the beginning, like you're only gonna get certain ones. You guys remember when we were opening a lot of mini brands, I'm like, we just couldn't find the dang cheese wedge because they actually, like, little did I know, didn't put them anywhere in the balls if you bought them right at the very beginning. Oh, yes. And see, we are getting repeats. We got another one of the video cassette tapes, but that's honestly one of my favorite ones. So I kind of don't care that I got two. And it looks like we're gonna get another repeat because I can already tell what this is. Okay, maybe this is just the normal version because I would be so shocked if we got two limited editions, but it is another floppy disk. And let's see, I hope we at least get one new one in here. Oh, yes. Oh, this is kind of interesting. So I don't remember ever seeing a product like that, but I think this says over 50 rolls of candy. It looks like it's supposed to be a tin of Pez. Like you would get this to like refill all your Pez dispensers with the candy. But hey, I said at least we hopefully get one new one, and that's at least one new one. What is this? Oh my god, it's like my favorite thing to say. Could have had a V8. This is a very, very old style can of V8 though. I don't remember this logo ever looking like this, but I love V8. It's like drinking cold tomato soup or something. It's somehow shockingly very refreshing to me. And last but not least, we have a, oh my god, like what even is this? I literally feel like I need to ask my dad. What is this? Maybe this is like reel to reel, or this looks like Hollywood like film canister, you know? It looks like it would be like one of those metal canisters. I think my dad did have like a reel to reel player at one point though, and maybe I remember the stuff coming in cans. That was to play music though. I don't know. Okay, we have 3 Frozen moments. It looks like 2 glow in the dark. We have 3 luxury things, which look like they're all gonna be an homage to Mini Brand's books. We have ultra rare. Okay, we did not. One of the ultra rare options is to get this film, but then instead of the top part being black, it's actually gold. Then we have rare. We have normal, I guess. Wow, there's a lot of super fun stuff in here. So we did get 2 ultra rares, which were the same ones, which were the diskettes, but I don't think we got another like uber ultra magic rare. And there's so many options, like, oh my gosh. I really feel like I could have and should have gotten more balls, because there are so many of these that I would love to get that we definitely did not see, which kind of makes me think that once again, maybe they are like limiting like which ones are in the earliest release of the balls. I'll see if I can link you guys to them on Amazon, like just in case they drop them in the last day or so. I actually saw on a website, I think that was called Toy Wiz, that these were technically not going to release until mid-July, but as we've seen with mini brands in the past, a lot of times like they'll put them out on some retailer first. Maybe Target got these. Maybe they won out that battle. I don't know. What do I want the most this time, you guys? I kind of think that the one I would like to see is the bananas, because there is like, it looks like you're gonna get a box of mini little bananas, like a bunch of little bananas inside of a box. And that just sounds truly magical to me. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on this collection in the comments down below. Do you think it's too retro? Are these things that you recognize? Let me know what you guys think. I'm kind of 50-50. There's a lot of them that I really like that seem like recently retro, and there's some, but I guess I do still like them, like the Frosted Flakes and the Fruit Loops and stuff. I think they're cute, but like I don't recognize like when the boxes looked like that. And the only thing I think would be really cool is if they did make miniature metal mini brands, but how hard would that be to make? Like the ones that you see are like really supposed to be tin. Like how cool would that be? But yeah, let me know. I love like the separate packaging for the little like diskettes. I think they did that really well. The cassette, I think they did really well. So these are like very, very exciting. I'm probably gonna wait a couple of months and then try and find more of these on another retailer and like open them up and see if we can find like a whole collection. I feel like that would be amazing. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. Bye!